যে জিনিসটা আমি বলবো এবং আবারও বলতে চাই আপনাদের থ্রুতে, সেটা হচ্ছে যে এক্সচেঞ্জ রেট হোয়াট এভার ইট ইজ shall be determined in Bangladesh territory, not by someone in Dubai or other places. That's the message I want to give, and firmly that it is objective and imperative, and we feel that it should be determined here, not by somewhere else, because I'm holding $300 million, $500 million, I will only sell at 127. Some ambassador came and said that, why I'm asking that you shouldn't buy from aggregators in Dubai. I said, they have every right to ask any price. That's a free market. They can ask $150 taka to the dollar. I have every right not to buy at that price and buy at 122. What is wrong with that, Mr. Ambassador? We had no answer. That's the capitalist market. আমি আমারটা অফার করবো, সে তারটা অফার করবে। আমি তো তাকে বলি নাই যে তুমি আমাকেই বিক্রি করতে হবে, আমি তো তাকে বলি নাই। It's your choice. But I will not buy, and I will not let my banks to buy at any price. That's it. You hold your dollar. How long you can hold? Not more than 5 working days. I can bet on that. Not more than 5 working days. So we have that power to withstand much more than that. So nobody should try to bet on these things. Everybody should be comfortable. To our remitters, I will say, do not believe in speculation. Speculation is harmful to you and to us as a country. Fundamentally, this economy, this exchange market is in sound shape. This exchange rate is not going to shoot to anything skyward. So don't hold on to your dollar or anything, or real or any other currency, dinar, whatever. Send it when you feel like sending. Don't try to hold on and gain capital gains. It may not be realized ever. You will be wasting your time. So just do your business like right, whatever you want to do. যখন টাকার দরকার তখনই পাঠান। আমরা বলছি না যে এখনই পাঠান। যখন আপনার দরকার হবে, পরিবারের দরকার হবে, তখনই পাঠাবেন। স্পেকুলেশনের জন্য ওয়েট করবেন না, কারণ দ্যাট উইল নট গিভ এনি রিটার্ন টু ইউ। দ্যাটস মাই মেসেজ টু আওয়ার remitters and also to the aggregators.